Everyone, today we're going to make an origami crane. First we take a square paper like this and we fold it diagonally. We're going to make creases first from here. This will be the first crease, and open and make the second crease from here to here. And we fold it like this and open it up again like this. And then we now turn the paper over to the other side and make creases from here and here. So we do slowly, carefully, like this. Open it up and then turn the crease very slowly like this and open it up again. So now what we can do is very easily close it up like an umbrella, just like this. Okay, now we make it a small square. We'll have flaps to fold over. Now what we do next is we have these open flaps over here and we fold it like this. Ideally, any white should not be seen. And we fold it here again. And now we do the same thing on the other side. Fold it like this. And we do the same thing on this side too. And now we fold the head like this. So now what we do is we open this up and turn it into a diamond. This is a bit tricky, so we just fold along the creases like this and fold it back again and do the same thing on the other side. Fold it here to make it a bit easy and then fold it along the creases again to make it into a nice diamond shape. Okay, here and here. It's important that the white paper not be seen. Okay, and now what we do is leave the open edges and fold it along this side once again. And do the same thing on this side. Turn it over. Do the same here and here. Okay, and now what we do is we turn it like this and this. And now here we have this will be the head. Okay, what we have to do is, and this will be the tail. So we fold it over and fold it over once again, like this and this. Now these will be the wings. Now what we do is we remove and just adjust the head over here, like this. For the head, we have to fold it once again, carefully, just like this, and bring the tail out just a little bit, like this. And now what we do is prepare the wings. Fold it like this, and here we have a little, and just adjust it accordingly, and fold it. Now it's almost done. Now what we do is turn it like this, and here's a golden crane. So what do you think? Please let us know in our comments below. Thank you. Bye-bye.